We were going to zipline in San Miguel de Allende, but it was so rainy, so we switched that activity to the next day and went to La Aurora instead. It's a huge art gallery space with shops and a cafe. It was perfect for seeing beautiful art and doing a nice walk with the kiddos. After we visited the gorgeous parroquia in El Centro, we had some lunch, helado, and churros.
Okay, gracias.
Churros San Agustin. We also visited a park for the kids. We finished this great rainy day shopping at the Mercado de Artesanías. It was a great rainy day in San Miguel de Allende.